Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time to the channel, then thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you've already been to this channel and you're already subscribed, then welcome back and thanks for supporting the channel. So today we have a special vlog for all the majors out there who subscribe to the channel. We're giving away a free LUT pack with 5 different LUTs for 5 different situations. Since I consider myself quite the adventurer, I've designed the LUTs for that in mind. So whether you're out playing some beach volleyball, mountain biking, skiing, scuba diving, or anything else, snorkeling, these LUTs are great for you. They're fully customizable. You could change them, you could use them in your videos, tweak them, whatever you want. So without further ado, let's check these LUTs out. Alright guys, so the first LUT in this series is the Overflow. It's used primarily with scuba diving using a red filter. So this is filmed with GoPro Hero 6 on flat profile mode with a red filter for 20 to 50 feet. And as you see, everything's more vibrant, colorful now. We're following around this green eel. Second LUT is the Pearl. It's a bright, really shiny kind of LUT, which is great for skiing, I find. Lower conditions, this was like a cloudy day, a lot of snow at the time, but using this really brightens everything up, makes the trees pop, gets the colors in the leaves and the snow, makes it more vibrant. Third one is Sahara. This is more of a warm tropical tan feel to it. So this is flying the drone down at South Beach, Miami, Florida. Just really pops out, gets the sand and the contrasting colors of the water, almost like teal orange feel to it. Nice warm, makes everything a lot more better. And this was a very overcast day, it was raining in the morning, so it just gives it a lot better feel to it. And the next one is Autumn. This is more of a warm, cozy fall feel to it. Almost gives you like that Halloween look, but just makes everything nice and warm. This was actually taken in the winter time. So just walking through there, kind of gives it a warm feel to it and a nice pop with the green. Good. The last one is Vivid. It's more bright, colorful, almost like a dreamy feel to it. So this is just playing some beach volleyball at Ashbridges Bay. Just gives it that extra pop, almost like you could use it for if you want to do like a dreamy situation or just a overly vivid look to your films. Alright guys, now that you've seen the LUTs, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and comment down below that you're done. Hit the link in the description that takes you to my contact page on my website. Then just fill out your name, whatever name you want. Doesn't matter, it could be a nickname or whatever. Fill out your email address where you want me to send the LUT pack to. It'll be a zip file that I send you, and I'll email it to you. And then just in the comment write done or subbed or whatever, thanks or whatever. And I will send you that within 24 hours. And I look forward to see what you guys do with it, what you do with your edits, and hopefully it helps out. Alright guys, so this is just going to show you how to import the files, the LUTs, into whatever program you're using. I use Premiere Pro. So you got your cube files, you also have your look files, and you have, specifically for Premiere Pro, your presets if you want to use. Of each of the 5 different types of LUTs. So wherever you download them to, you go into that folder, then you want to go into your whatever program you're using. So I'm using Premiere Pro CC 2017. I go into my Premiere Pro folder, then you want to go into your Lumetri folder, open that up, then you have your LUTs folder here, you want to open that up. And then you have your creative and technical. So if you open those up, you can see there's already presets that come with Premiere Pro. I already imported my Vivid cube, so I'll import the rest of them. So Autumn, Overflow, Pearl, and Sahara. I'll just drag and drop them into the folder. And this activates them from the creative tab in color correcting, and then technical activates them from basic the basics control. So you could import them in both, which I'll do. So now that they're in there, they'll show up on your Premiere Pro or whatever software you're using. So this is just a clip that I have. There's no color correction on it right now. If you go into your color tab here at the top, you could go into your Lumetri color. So you have your basic corrections, your creative, curves, and everything else. So if you go in your basic corrections under the input LUT, it'll show none right now. You could just scroll down, and right now Vivid's there. The other ones aren't showing right now because I did it while the program's open, so you just close the program down and then restart it, and your other LUTs will be shown. So if you click input, it automatically puts it on the clip that you're using, that you've highlighted. And then you could always switch, and you could still tweak them any way you want after that. Also, if you want to go down to Creative tab and do it that way instead, so we'll take it off there and we'll put it on here. Then you just have more options as well. You could change the intensity of it, make it super intense or less intense. And you can also access them from the Editing tab. If you go back to the Editing tab, you see them here in the color corrections and creative. So under creative now we have vivid. Change it to active, take it off, goes back to wherever. Or if you just want to get rid of it, you can go back to none. And then again in the basics correction tab as well, activate it, there it is, and you'll find them all here anyways. Go back to none, and that's how to import them. So enjoy. Alright, thanks a lot guys, really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.